Hi guys, it's me Elena, and today, you know that slime stuff that's all on my hand? I'm gonna add some of that water stuff to make it even goldish. Here is it right now. I added some more, so let's get on to the video. Dump some of this stuff in.
Alright, can you take it to the dining room?
Yeah. And I'm going to transfer you to another room. And just may please carry my tools and stuff and this over to the thing. I'm going to transport y'all to another room.
I'm only getting the plate.
I need it. Oh, Grandma, move it. Please move that stuff. I really need it.
There we go.
Now, I'm going to, please get my cup too. I'm going to mix all this. And this is what it looks like for right now. Looks really goldy, like a blonde.
You have to get this for yourself.
I'm going to add some more of that stuff into here. Make it look really cool. Yeah. Lots of stuff. There we go. Now that I got some in there, I'm going to mix it all up again. Yeah, that was sticky. That's my hammer that I use sometimes. Now I'm going to mix it all up. Ooh, it's starting to get kind of stickier, I should say. Now it's even getting even more cuter. This is what it looks like right now. So let's get it even more.
You want to eat on my furniture? Yes, I am, because she's eating my furniture up and Grandpa
Yeah.
make me get
My
rid of
dog's
it.
eating hot sauce.
Grandpa already told it.
Yeah, but she just ate a new spot. So I will rub you on every chair. There you go.
Now I'm eating the,
You want to
mixing
try
all
it?
this stuff up.
Try it again. See what happens, puppy. You're going to stop all that pie and
She's
chew
putting
it.
hot sauce on
I know.
chairs so she won't eat them. That's what you do for eating on the chairs.
My grandmother's putting hot sauce on the chair.
You
'Cause
mean
my,
grandma?
My grandmother. My grandmother is putting hot sauce on
She's
our chair.
She's not grandma's mom. Minnie is. That's grandma.
Hot sauce. Grandmother, if you guys don't know what grandmother means that it's your grandma, but you can call them grandmother to some other people.
So you're going to be grandma or granny or grands.
I know, but my grandmother, that's what I say to other people. Or my grandma. Now this is getting even golder. Look at all that. Ooh. Now I'm going to add even more to make that really good. It's getting really gold. And it looks nice. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now, it's really sticky. It feels so good. I wish you guys were here right now to feel this. Oh my goodness. Mix.
Well, that means your games are taking up a lot of your storage. They'll eat some of your games.
I'm going to dig more of that out. I guess I'm going to use this whole thing to make it really gold. Because this was already yellow, but that stuff is like even a yellowish, darker color. So I guess I'm going to make it even darker yellow. Ooh, that looks like a really nice. Oh my goodness, look.
That one, you got that little space of storage left.
Yeah. Yucky. still strong. Now I dumped even more of that in there.
What?
Ah, it's getting kind of smelly. Ugh. Now I didn't make it completely gold, but this is it. So, bye guys, have a happy family.